Thanks for staying up late. I'm David Allen. Tonight, the Virginia Health Commissioner is under fire for comments he made in a recent news article. Commissioner Colin Greene was referenced in a recent Washington Post article, rejecting racism as a public health crisis and questioning the link between racism and health disparities. Sarah Hammond tells us why Governor Youngkin says he is disappointed.
A year ago, Virginia made history as the first southern state to declare racism as a public health crisis. Now, according to comments made by State Health Commissioner Colin Greene in a recent Washington Post article, to many it seems he doesn't agree. Dr. Greene, who was appointed to the position by Governor Youngkin, told the Post he wanted to create an investigative unit within the Department of Health to figure out the reason for high Black maternal and infant mortality rates. According to the Post, he went on to say racism is a politically charged word and said, quote, "If you say racism, you're blaming white people."
I'm disappointed that Dr. Greene wasn't able to effectively communicate this mission, because this is the mission: to close these health gaps, to remove the disparities so that all Virginians have the ability to have a healthy life and a healthy child.
According to the CDC, Black women are 2 to 3 times as likely to die from a pregnancy-related cause than white women. Governor Youngkin called that statistic wholly unacceptable.
For a long time, I have felt and continue to feel angry about the disparity in health outcomes for Black mothers and Black children as opposed to white mothers and white children.
Members of the Virginia Legislative Black Caucus sent a letter to Governor Youngkin regarding Greene's comments, saying in part, quote, "The VLBC is nothing short of outraged at the actions and insular comments made by State Health Commissioner Colin Greene and his blatant disregard for the presence of structural racism and inequities that impact our mothers, their babies, and our communities at a disproportionate level." Virginia health advocacy organizations also condemned Greene's remarks in the article. In a separate article, the Washington Post released an internal letter apparently sent by Greene walking back some of his statements. Sarah Hammond, 13 News Now.
Reached out to Commissioner Greene for a comment on his remarks in the initial Washington Post article and apparently about walking back his comments, but we have not heard back. Many offices, of course, are closed for the Juneteenth federal holiday.